Is mail taking up too much storage on your Apple Watch? Even after deleting emails, the storage still looks full? In this video, I'll show you simple and advanced ways to free up mail storage step by step. Let's start with the easy fixes. Fix number 1 is reduce message preview lines. So guys, mail previews can take up unnecessary space. Here's how to reduce them. First of all, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, which must be paired to your Apple Watch. Then, go to My Watch, scroll to Mail, and click on Message Preview. On this screen, please select None or One Line. So from now, this makes your mail list more compact and helps reduce stored data. Fix number 2 is clear deleted items. Dear friends, sometimes deleted emails are still sitting in the trash. To remove them completely, you have to look at your Apple Watch. Now, open the Mail app that usually do to open other app on your Apple Watch, like press digital crown button and scroll up or down side to navigate app. On my Apple Watch, it looks like this. Now, you have to swipe left on any remaining messages. Tap the red color trash icon. You can also log into iCloud.com/mail and empty the trash from there to clear everything at once. Fix number 3 is clear website data. Email links can store cached website data on your watch. To clear it, go to Settings on your Apple Watch, tap on General. Over here, select Website Data option. Now tap Clear Website Data. This removes hidden stored web content. Now we move on to some advanced solutions. If storage is still high after followed the steps, if mail still shows large storage usage, try these deeper fixes. Fix number 4 is change discarded message settings. Sometimes emails are archived instead of fully deleted. To fix this, on your iPhone, go to Settings, scroll to Apps and select Mail. Then after, choose Accounts. On this screen, select your email account, tap Account and click on Advanced. Under Move Discarded Messages Into, select Deleted Mailbox. This ensures emails are permanently removed instead of stored in archive. Fix number 5 is unpair and repair Apple Watch. You guys, this is the most effective fix. If nothing works, this is the strongest solution. It clears ghost storage and corrupted mail data. Here's how. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Tap All Watches. Tap the iInfo button next to your watch. Now, select Unpair Apple Watch. A backup is created automatically. After unpairing, you have to repair your watch. After that, choose Restore from Backup option. This completely refreshes mail storage. Most of the time, clearing trash and reducing preview lines solves the issue. But if mail storage won't go down, unpairing and repairing is the guaranteed fix. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Apple Watch tips. Thanks for watching.